Welcome back, guys. It's a little bit of a winter wonderland here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. But we're still gonna go down the road in this 1967 Chevy 2 Nova. Just got it in up here. It's got a 350 under the hood. Looks like the AC compressor is still on here and hooked up. It's got power steering. Pretty slick looking car. Hopefully it'll stop snowing so I can do my walk around video. I do 2 videos of each car. One's a test drive and one walks around pointing out any kind of flaws on the body, interior, and underneath. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I'm posting videos like this constantly. It helps us out when you share it and hit that like button. I just did a full lot walk around showing all the new inventory because we update every Monday with new cars. Okay, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna look around the interior before we take off here. Check everything out. It's actually in pretty good shape. Cloth seats. Not too bad. Back window, the tint needs to come off of it. It looks a little bit nappy back there. Interior looks pretty good. Headliner's clean. This thing starts up easy. The gas gauge is coming up. A little bit over a quarter tank. Try the wipers out. Might need them today. See if we can get them to work. I don't think the wipers work. Go ahead and turn the heat on. Oh yeah, that's a good deal right there. I can feel it already. Temperature's starting to come up. Looks like it's at 155, 160. All our gauges are coming up. But place your bets. Do you think that horn works? We'll be trying it out as well. See if the radio works. It does. B&M shifter. Well, actually, it's a Hurst shifter there. All right, see if this horn works. No horn, no spring. Let's take it down the road. All right. Let's take off here. Anything I see that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. All right. Turn this down a little bit so you can hear the motor. Right off the bat, I can feel it pulling to the right here. You gotta, to keep it straight on the road, you kinda gotta keep the steering wheel turned a little bit. See how it's cocked? It's gonna need a front end, be aligned or adjusted. Something's going on there. It's still pulling to the right. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. Brakes do not feel too bad, but they actually pull a little bit to the left. Sounds pretty good, but we have no kick down on this one. I think there was just dust on the brakes because it's not pulling to the left anymore. They actually stopped pretty good. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. Try the other side. Turn signal is popping up on the left side of the dash as well. The old clock's not working anymore. And that gas gauge is moving around quite a bit, so it kind of gives me an indication that it's still working. on this parking lot here. I'm gonna go ahead and get some outside shots running. I'll drive over the camera and lay my light on the ground, the way it lights up the undercarriage. You can really get a good view of it. So we'll turn around in this parking lot right here and knock this out. Let's get these shots. Okay, getting ready to take off here. Notice they had the seatbelts backwards. Usually this one's on this side, but it is what it is. And so far so good. Engine temperature is still around 165. Oil pressure was at around 30. Car's still pulling to the right. You can see just riding through the parking lot it's doing it. Right. As far as suspension goes, it feels pretty good. It's not bad at all. It's floating down the road. I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. Steer does have a bit of slack in it too. Probably needs a little bit of front end work. But other than that, everything seems to be working. It sounds good, it feels good. Turn signal there's a little bit weak. Still working. Halfway down this road is a speed bump. We're going to hit it at a moderate speed. Speed bumps are right here. We're going to shoot on past the lot here. And when I get back, I'm going to do a walk around video. I was going to do it out there, but it kept snowing. I'm trying to wait for the snow to stop. That way it doesn't leave water spots all over the car. There's a car lot right there. right up here in the parking lot. This is Brian's Motorsports parking lot. They're awesome, by the way. If you want to get your car customized, you can come right down the road from Maple Motors, walking distance, and get custom wheels, interior, get your tint done, stereo. I mean, they pretty much do it all. But check them out. That's briansmotorsports.com. Look that up online and see what they have done. They're all over the internet. But yeah, we've had a ton of people buy cars from us and just send them down there before they even ship them out. It's people from like California, Texas. They'll call and say, hey, I've talked to Brian, he's putting wheels on it, take it down from your lot to there. Like, all right, and then a shipping truck shows up a couple hours later and sends it straight to them, and they're all customized, so. All right, we're pulling back in the lot here. Like I said, looks like the snow has slowed down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a walk around video. Be sure to wait for that link. It's usually the last 30 seconds of every video. It'll either be a test drive or a walk around. At the very end, you can click on to learn more about that car you were watching. Okay. Thanks again, guys.